Hey guys, I just got myself a new MacBook. It's the 2020 model. I've had the 2016 model since, well, 2016, and I just needed to upgrade. The main reason was because I needed a lot more storage space and also because I wanted space grey. But the main reason was because I needed more storage space. Anyway, enough chat and let's get unboxing. This is always my favourite part. Unboxing is just super satisfying. Especially when you rip that off. Yeah. Sweet. And here it is. The Space Grey model. The Space Grey is just so nice. I absolutely love it. So inside the box, obviously you get the MacBook itself. You also get the lightning cable. And you get this little pack which contains some paperwork. Stuff like user guide, warranty information. I don't know, I never read these things. Ooh, and look, there's some stickers, which is pretty standard for Apple, but this time they're space grey, not white, which is pretty cool. I won't ever use them, but hey. And of course you get the power adapter. So let's take off the packaging and we'll just slide this in. Cool. Okay, so now time for this satisfying part. So I've got the 13-inch model here, and what I'll need to get used to is the fact that this MacBook only has 2 USB-C ports, whereas I'm used to having 4 on my 2016 model. But to be fair, I probably only really ever use 2 at one time, so it's probably not going to be an issue. And on the other side you've got the earphone jack, which is quite handy for when I'm doing video work and want to use a wired mic. But yeah, I mean, in terms of design, there's hardly any change. It's not really any different, but I needed the storage space, so that's what I upgraded. But yeah, let's turn it on and get it set up. This isn't super exciting because I've had a MacBook Pro before, but yeah. Okay, so the language, obviously I'm going to stick to English. Select your country, so let's go United Kingdom, which is right at the top. I don't need any accessibility on. Just going to connect to the Wi-Fi, hit next, and so you can see the migration assistant has popped up. I've actually got a time machine backup that I made on my last MacBook, so I'm going to use that so that I don't have to start from scratch. So to do that, I'll need to plug in my external hard drive and put the Mac on charge. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, but that's the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching.